So this is a review of the Siemens IQ500 10 kilogram. It was bought in September 2024, and the first thing I'll talk about is the build quality. I have to say this replaced a Miele which had quite clangy suspension and had to be sent back. This machine is extremely smooth. I've not had any issues with suspension or indeed strange noises coming from the cabinet, and it's very steady when it spins. It feels quite solid, and inside you've got a drum light which is very handy. This is a large 10 kilogram drum. Has good, decent paddles. So that's the inside of the drum. The machine is very quiet. It has a quiet motor, but in addition to that, it also has a quiet pump. Something that can get overlooked with many machines is that there's a concentration of the noise of the motor, but they don't necessarily look at the noise of the pump. And a noisy pump is something that cannot be avoided because obviously all machines have to drain. The dashboard or fascia, whatever you want to call it, is really simple. So this is at the moment set to cottons. Now that is a long wash, but you can select variospeed and it reduces it right down. Now I know that says 5 kilograms and that, you know, that's what you should be using. I have to say I've filled it up and it's absolutely been fine. And on that program it will wash for nearly an hour before it starts the rinsing cycle. And if you add Water Plus, it adds an extra 10 minutes on, adds an extra rinse. And I've found with that, the rinsing is absolutely fine. I live in Suffolk. The water's very hard here, but we have it softened. So I do need a bit of extra rinsing. You get pre-wash, less ironing. That usually reduces the spin, although you can put it back up again. What that does is it splits up the spin into little pauses with fluffing in between, and that really does help with creasing, I find, with certain programs. You've got various spin speeds. Let's turn that off. And various temperatures. You've also got this option, which is the stain option. I'll just turn it round because when you put stain on here, you can see they go to very long program time. So you get butter, it's blood, grass, wine, or butter or oil. But you can select it on other programs. So for example, you've got the mix wash. Now the mix wash is actually something that most people will use actually. It's mixed fabrics. It still does a fast spin. You can actually increase that to 1600. And you've got up to 60 degrees on that. And that can be a good all-round program. I would use Water Plus. So just over an hour. And again, you can add your stains. Many of them, the program times won't change. And apparently what it does is it's more sustained heat. So if you want, say, it'd be based on getting to the right temperature for that particular stain, I think. You've obviously got your rinse only, your spin only, which can be increased to 1600. Shirts is a good program. You also see there you've got drum clean. Shirts was good. That again does a pulse spin, so that shirts, and I do find they do come out less creased. Outdoor hygiene is your really long wash. Now your rapid, that's an interesting program because you can have as little as 15 minutes with variospeed added, but you can also turn that off. You can increase the spin to 1200, and if you increase the temperature to 40, it goes to 35 minutes. But you can also add water plus, and it becomes 41 minutes. It washes for about 20 minutes before starting the rinses, and it will do 3 rinses. It does 3 quick rinses. The spin is rather short, but you can, with this machine, set rinse hold, that's rinse hold, and then you could set a longer 1600 spin if you really wanted to. But the 1200 spin isn't bad, but it's not very long. Smart Finish, that's a steaming program that you can set, and again I've used that on shirts and it's worked really well. It's relaxed them. I over tumble dried something once and I used that and it really sort of relaxed them, made them slightly damp again. It was ideal for ironing. Overall, really happy with this machine. The tray is fine, the powder drawer. Overall, really pleased with it. Very quiet, sturdy, and very easy to use. I have tried machines with apps. I think if I was being really fussy, it'd be quite nice if there was an additional app on top of this, if people wanted to use an app. Like all things, some things aren't quite perfect. One thing, it'd be great if they had a memory function so that, say, when I go to cottons, it would remember that I select Water Plus and variospeed. That would be handy. Other makes can do that. The other thing is, when it spins, it's not bad. It's quite sensitive at balancing. They all are now, to be honest. But what I would say is, I'd say when this balances, it balances in one direction only when it redistributes. And I think after about the 4th or 5th attempt, the machine should probably turn the other direction to ensure nothing's balling up. I've not had a problem with that, but if you had, say, a big group of sheets and they weren't balancing, I think it would be improved by reverse tumbling as well. It's a minor thing, but you know, I think I've seen it in other brands like Haier, for example. They'd attempt for about 4 times to try and spin, and then they will reverse backwards to allow the clothes to any untangling to take place. That being said, it doesn't. There are other mates that go the other way, where they tumble both ways on each attempt, which can take a very long time to achieve spin. But overall, you know, really pleased with the spin. The spin results are really good. It's a 1600 spin. So all in all, I'd highly recommend. Thumbs up for this Siemens 500.